Former Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Thembinkosi Lorch is enjoying a brilliant spell in Morocco, but his omission from the latest Bafana Bafana squad has left his Wydad Athletic Club teammate Dumisang Orebonye scratching his head. The 32-year-old playmaker has been in scintillating form for Wydad, helping the Moroccan Giants cruise into the CAF Confederation Cup group stage with a commanding 6-1 aggregate victory over Ghana's Asante Kotoko. Lorch was at the heart of Friday's night's 5-1 triumph, calmly converting a 54-minute penalty with a cheeky Panenka finish that sealed the result. His domestic form has been just as impressive, 2 goals in 4 league appearances, as he continues to adapt seamlessly to life in the Botola Pro League. Orebonye, who hails from Botswana, could not hide his admiration for his teammates' resurgence and said Lorch is doing great, and I'm really happy for him. He's not just a star performer, he makes everyone around him better. You are always happy to play alongside someone like him. Having faced Lorch in the South African Premier Division during his Orlando Pirates days, Orebonye says the player's trademark flair and composure remain intact, and said he's the same Lorch, quite off the pitch but loud on it. From last season through to the FIFA Club World Cup, he's been consistently delivering. Orebonye believes the South African playmaker's current form warrants a national team recall, and said, I don't know why he's not in the squad, but he definitely deserves the chance. Despite his outstanding performances, Hugo Broos has once again overlooked Lorch in his latest Bafana Bafana preliminary squad. The decision has puzzled many fans and pundits, especially with the 2025 AFCON finals set to take place in Morocco, Lorch's current footballing home. South Africa will next face Zambia's Chipolopolo in a friendly on November 14, part of their preparations for the continental showpiece. Lorch last donned national colours in June 2022 when Bafana Bafana suffered a 2-1 defeat to Morocco in an AFCON qualifier. Since then, his international career has been on pause, but if his current form is anything to go by, it may only be a matter of time before he forces his way back into process plans. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.